Hey learners, welcome to Mac. So learners, in this video we're gonna see one coding question which was asked in Google based on arrays. So in this question, if you can see over here, there will be given an array of integers with n elements. Okay, so we have to check that if there exists any pair ij means ij with index pair such that I, ai and aj is equals to k, and with one condition that I should not be equals to j. So now let's see in this array for k is equals to 10, so if there is any pair or not, and I also that I should not be equals to j, index I should not be equals to index j. So let's see, with 5 no, with 3 yeah, there is one element 7. So if you add both of these, definitely it will result in 10 only. So definitely there is just one pair, and also with this index and this index is not same. So that's why for this the answer will be what? True. So now let's see one more example. So for k is equals to 15, if there is any element pair of elements or not which adds it to 15. So with 18, yes, there is one element minus 3. If you add both of these, so definitely it will result in 15. Okay, so for this also the answer is what? True. Okay, so now let's see for this. In this array, if there is any element or not. So if in this array, if you can see with 2 or 4, there is no element, element which will result in 8. So for this, what will be the answer? Answer will be false. So what can we approach the approach for it? One approach that with for every element, if for every element if you check that if there is exists with any other element or not, which results in the k or not. So the brute force approach, let's see the brute force approach for it. So suppose the for k is equals to 10, these are the given numbers in an array. So let's check it with this integer array and k the given value. So for inner loop, for the outer loop, we will just starting from 0 to n, and we are just increasing it, and in the inner loop we are also increasing from 0 to n minus 1. Means for n minus 1 will go to n minus 1, and we are just increasing this also, and we have to check that ai plus aj is equals to k. But if you remember here that I should not be equals to j, there is a condition over here. So for this we have we have to write something else condition in this if block. So what we have to write that? So we have to write over here I should not be equals to j, and ai plus aj is equals to k. If this condition satisfy, we will definitely return true, and if the whole inner and the outer loop ends over here, and if we come out with no result, then definitely at the last we are going to return false. So why, if you have noticed one thing or not, that ai plus aj is equals to aj plus ai. So with this we can see, you can see over here that for every element in this for 2 also, we are just we are starting the inner loop with 0, and we are just continuing it to n minus 1. For 2 also we are checking with 2, and I, if I is, for I is not equals to j, we are putting one condition. So from for 2 also we are starting from index 0 and going to here. For 7 also we have already evaluated 2 with 7. Then also when the we are evaluating with 2, again checking. So we are just evaluating for every number. For every number we are just evaluating the other number 2 times. So we can optimize over here. So what can be the optimized approach for this, which will also reduce the time complexity? So we must have noticed what is the time complexity for this. It will, if there are 2 loops, definitely the time complexity for this loop will be what? It will be order of n square only. So what can be the optimized approach for it? So let's see over here that if we can reduce some loops, but by just for checking in the inner loop with j is equals not equals to 0. So with j, if you put I is equals to 1, so for with starting I is equals to 0, if you put j is equals I equals to 1, so definitely it will start from here, and when I will reach over here, we will start from j from here. So definitely the previous number will not be evaluated again. So we will reduce some number of loops over here, and definitely with the time complexity. So to see the optimized approach over here, with this optimized approach, that for I is equals to 0, we are checking this to I n minus 2, because why we have just put I should be less than n minus 1, because when I will reach here, j will take the for in the inner loop, j will take I plus 1. So with this we can just optimize one extra loop also, and with in this over here you can see that with I is equals to 0, we are just going to n minus 2, and in the inner loop for j is equals to I plus 1, we are going to n minus 1, and we are just evaluating this same expression again, and we are returning true if it's true. So if you notice over here, there is one extra this is written over here, because and in this optimized approach we do not need this check, because we are taking definitely j from I plus 1. So definitely it will not be equals, I will not be equals to j in this loop. So we can just remove this check, and if the condition is true, we will return true, and when the loop ends, we will return false. Okay, so learners, this is it for this video. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, and do comment in the comment box whatever you liked in the video. If there is something which needs to be improved, so do comment that also. With your comments, it will definitely help us in improving our teaching lecture. And yeah, and do subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more data structure videos, and hit the like button. Thank you.